Hmm? Hello everyone. Today we will go through budget 2025-26, which was presented on 1st of February 2025 by Honorable Finance Minister of India. Agriculture, which was the hallmark of this budget, medium and small micro enterprises, investment and exports. These were the four themes in which journey of development was explained. The purpose of all three sectors was to further already ongoing reforms, as well as government wants to take this growth process much further by making it more inclusive, as well as the buzzword or keyword of our government is Vikasit Bharat, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. In this, these all four are engines of growth. You can see over here, engines of growth. It was mentioned there. Next, aspiration for Vikasit Bharat. To accelerate growth as well as to secure inclusive development. Inclusive development means they want to include service sector, manufacturing sector, as well as agriculture sector and allied sectors, as well as primary, secondary, tertiary sectors, etc. Government want to pull in more private sector development into the growth process. Means they want to give more conducive environment to private sector for bringing in more money into the market, thereby into their companies and thereby in money and financial markets. Government wants to uplift household sentiments, means our Indian economy is consumer driven economy. When consumers spends their money, this money come to into the market. When consumer purchases goods and services products, they buy, they pay direct and indirect taxes all the time, and thereby it benefits the taxation and overall sentiment of the government spending. I am taking this session from government document. It was prepared by Ministry of Finance. It is available on government website also. I will share this PDF in YouTube description in this on this channel. Development is measured or focused on uh, three variables. Means one, Garib; two, youth; three, Annadata; and four, Nari. Nari means woman. Annadata means farmer. Youth, you better know what youth means. Youth are uh, uh, Indian citizens who are between 15 to 35, approximate 15 to 35 years in age, And Garib means those who lack basic livelihood and they struggle for their everyday needs. Now, we will see various programs related to agriculture growth, and thereby government wants to bring in rural prosperity through agriculture growth. In this, Honorable Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana, it covers developing agriculture districts program. It covers more than 100 districts and it will help more than 1.7 crore farmers. There is mission for cotton productivity. We want to increase our cotton productivity. There is big issue of BT cotton, which is around from more than 25 years. BT cotton, it is going on, and BT cotton is allowed to be cultivated by Indian farmers. To improve cotton productivity, there is 5-year mission uh, which will lead to innovation, improvement and sustainability of cotton farming. Because nowadays in this November 2025, the rate of cotton is have gone down and cotton farmers are facing hardships. They are not getting their dues and the money they have put in as inputs, uh, several thousand or lakhs of rupees per acre they have invested, and they are not getting as per they are getting market value which is below minimum support price. They are asking for at least minimum support price. Minimum support price of cotton is around 4 to 5,000 per bale. One bale is equal to 160 kg. There is formation of Makhana board in Bihar. Because makhana is a very popular and nutritious recipe in Bihar. We want to produce, process, and value add this makhana, and marketing should happen such that farmers should get good prices of their produce. And farmer organization of FPOs. FPOs means farmer producer companies. Farmer producer company is a concept government has brought in from last 6 to 7 years. There is a farmer producer company is a group of around 100 to 1,000 farmers. They they bring in their produce. They set up their company. They bring in their produce. They market, sell, and distribute the profit among themselves. They can even export their produce, which can fetch high value to them. For providing credit to the farmers, there is provision of a Kisan credit card. Kisan credit card is a scheme by central government. Through this, the loan given by central and state governments are given directly into the farmer's bank account. When farmers need this money to buy fertilizers, seeds, and other agriculture inputs, they can take their uh, Kisan credit card to nearby a bank or ATMs, and they can withdraw their money through this card. The benefits of Kisan credit card are like farmers get short-term loans. Around 7.7 crore farmers are actually availing credit or loan facility through Kisan credit card. Fishermen, even dairy farmers, they have ceiling of 5 lakh, means loan of up to 5 lakh they can get from Kisan credit card. There is mission of national mission on high yielding seeds. It is targeting development and propagation of seeds with high yield and which have pest resistance as well as climate resistance. This Atmanirbharta word has repeatedly come into the government documents from last few years. Atmanirbhar Bharat is the vision of central and state government. Under pulses, government has launched 6-year mission with special focus on Tur, Udad, Masoor. Just remember these names: Tur, Udad, and Masoor, which emphasizes development and commercial availability of climate resilient seeds. Means those farmers who are cultivating pulses, they will be provided with Tur, Udad, and Masoor with new seeds or varieties which are climate resistance, drought, drought resistance, and they are like less likely to be affected by more or less rainfall or climate changes or temperature changes or any other natural calamities, which will lead to more production of protein and high value diet. It will increase productivity as well as improve post harvest storage. After harvesting of these various tur, urad and masoor, it could be stored in the warehouses till farmers get good amount money. Management and remunerative prices. Remunerative prices mean input cost is less than output cost. Then only farmers will be in profit. Means inputs should be less in terms of monetary value, and output cost or output of the same should be more than input. Then farmer will get remunerative prices. Means then when farmer sells their produce in the market, they will get good amount of money. They will repay the agriculture loans. Their children can go in good schools, colleges, universities. They will get good standard of living, and thereby their improvement or their growth or their acceleration in agriculture sector will happen. India Post means Bharatiya Dak Vibhag, which should act as a catalyst for rural economy. And look how government is planning it. Government is planning rural community a hub for co-location. There are more than 1.55 lakh post offices across India, and most of these post offices are situated or located in rural areas. Government want to use these post offices to extend institutional account services. Means farmers and their family members should open their accounts in this India Post Payment Bank and other the insurance they are providing, and as well as small savings, as well as national savings certificate. Many such saving, insurance, or PF pension related products this India Post is offering. Direct benefit transfer, cash out, and EMI pickup. Means if farmer buy a two-wheeler, four-wheeler, or a tractor through this Kisan credit card or agriculture loan or like that, the money of EMI, equated monthly installment, that can be picked up by this India Post or Dak Sevak or postman. In our Maharashtra, we say postman. Postman कलेक्ट करेगा, EMI कलेक्ट करेगा, डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर देगा, वो भी किसान के हाथ में देगा. Credit services to micro enterprises. This is very important. Micro enterprises means small scale businesses. Small scale businesses, they should get credit services through India Post. Insurance, we have already covered it, as well as assisted digital services. It covers many other services. Assisted digital services means those who are not digitally literate or those who are not very well known with various technology like biometric, internet banking, ATM, Kisan credit card. Those who are not well aware of it, the India Post or postman will assist the farmers or uh, rural area people or rural Indian citizens uh, for use of banking services across India. The same four pillars, Garib, youth, Annadata and Nari, we are focusing. Please keep it in mind. Supporting medium, small and micro enterprises, as well as this is the very important scheme, Make in India. We, Indian economy was deficit economy. We used to import many goods and services, but government from last more than 1 decade is focusing on Make in India. It was a scheme started way back in 2015 by Modi government. They want to skill Indian youth which could join manufacturing sector, and instead of importing cars and many other things, cars, two-wheelers or uh, like engines or very high-end articles, government want to support local manufacturers to manufacture the things domestically, which could improve our financial stability of the Indian economy. Within this, credit cards for micro enterprises, it will have 5 lakh limit, and it these micro enterprises should be registered on Udyam portal. Every Indian small business, medium business or other businesses should register themselves on Udyam portal. Within a week or within a few days, there is a provision that government has speed up various clearances. If any Indian citizen want to start his or own business, it is the compliance burden has been reduced over the years. In the first year, 10 lakh such cards are will be issued. Credit card for micro enterprises means credit disbursal or support financial assistance by central and state governments will drastically improve. Then there is a scheme for first time entrepreneurs for 5 lakh first time entrepreneurs, women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe. This new scheme will provide them term loans up to 2 crores during next 5 years. There is another manufacturing mission with the mandate ease of doing business as well as cost of doing business. Next, a ready workforce as well as vibrant and dynamic MSME sector, availability of technology, quality products, as well as clean technology in manufacturing for climate friendly development. With this, government is taking into account climate change or green economy. Please note it down. For labor intensive sectors, there is a scheme. There are the three main sub points we are covering. Focus product scheme for footwear and leather. In this, it is expected to provide employment for lakhs of people, as well as it will generate a turnover of 4 lakh crore, as well as it will it is expected to increase exports for over 1 lakh 1.1 lakh crore rupees. Then toy sector. Toy means खेळणी. In Marathi, खेळणी. In toy sector, there is focus on clusters, mean number of toy companies or manufacturer should come and they manufacture locally, as well as skill manpower. There should be a development of manufacturing ecosystem that will create high quality, unique, innovative and sustainable toys to represent the Made in India brand. There is a support for fruit processing sector. In food processing, there is establishment of National Institute of Food Technology in Bihar, which will lead to skilling, entrepreneurship and employment opportunity for youth. This is very important thing. There is enhancement of credit availability with guarantee cover. This is the figure which is given in crores, and this is years. For medium small enterprises, current was 5 years. Next year it has been revised to 10 years. For startups, very important. Startup is micro enterprise which is set up as a startup. It has been earlier 10 years, now it is 12 years. What we are looking at, we are looking at credit availability with guarantee cover, means for 20 years startups will be provided with loan or credit guarantee. Exporter MSMEs, those MSMEs who are dedicated for only exports, then they will get term loans of up to 20 crores rupees from government. In this budget, government is assisting or helping micro enterprises, startup, and those individuals like women, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, who want to take loan, credit, set up their business in terms of micro, small enterprises, startups, or if they want to export, then these are various provisions. Government is extending them very nicely. There is a revision of criteria in the classification of MSMEs, micro, small, and medium. Current was for micro 1 year, small 10 years, medium 50 years. Investment criteria was revised for this 2.5 years, 25 years, or sorry, current it was 1 crore, 2.5 crore, 25 crore, 1 125 crore. Turnover criteria for turnover of MSMEs was current 5 crore, 50 crore, 250 crore. It has been revised to 10 crore, 100 crore, 500 crores. Next 15 to 20 topics we will take around 7:30 p.m. in the evening. That will be the part 2 of this session. This will be a 5-part series. This is the first part, and please mention your feedback in the comments and messages on the given number. Thank you.